The topic is Prim's algorithm. Prim's algorithm is used to find the minimum spanning tree. It is a greedy algorithm. Okay. So for a given graph, we have to find a minimum spanning tree. What is the minimum spanning tree? So the minimum spanning tree should have all the vertices and have a edge node -1. The idea behind the Prim's algorithm is we select an edge having the minimum weight. We select an edge with the minimum weight. So in this graph, edge 1 to 6 have the minimum weight, that is 10. So we select this. In our step 1, we will write as select edge 1 to 6. This is how you will do any question given in your semester exam. Okay. So selecting edge 1 to 6. 1 to 6. This edge is having weight 10. Okay. So now in step number 2, what you have to do? From this edge 1 to 6, you have to select an adjacent edge which is having the minimum weight. So what are the adjacent edges on this edge 1 to 6? Those are 1 to 2 and 6 to 5. There are only two adjacent edges, 6 to 5 and 1 to 2. So which edge is having the minimum weight? Edge 6 to 5, or edge 5 to 6 is having the minimum weight, that is 25. So we select the edge 6 to 5. So your graph will be like this. Okay, moving further. Now from this edge we have to select the adjacent edge which is having the minimum weight. So there are two adjacent edges. There are three adjacent edges now: 1 to 2, 5 to 7 and 5 to 4. So which edge is having the minimum weight? Edge 5 to 4 is having the minimum weight among these three edges. Okay, so we select the edge 5 to 4. So this is the stepwise solution you have to do in your semester exams. Now selecting the edge 5 to 4. It is having the weight 22. Okay. Now we have to see for all the edges, for all the nodes, if any adjacent edge is having a minimum weight. So 4 to 3 is having 12, 4 to 7 is having 18, 5 to 7 is having 24, and 1 to 2 is having 28. So which edge is having the minimum weight? 4 to 3, that is 12. It has the minimum weight 12. So select the edge 3 to 4. Okay. Now next step. Now we have to select an edge which is having the minimum weight. So what are the adjacent edges? What are the edges left? So from 3 to 2, it is having the minimum weight 16. From 4 to 7, 18. From 5 to 7, 24, and from 1 to 2, that is 28. So we can only select this one because it is having the minimum weight 3 to 2. We select edge 3 to 2. I am doing in this only this one graph. You have to create a separate graph for each step. You have to show each step separately. Okay. 3 to 2 having weight 16. After selecting edge 3 to 2, what are the adjacent edges left? So there are four adjacent edges left, that is 1 to 2, 1 to 2, 5 to 7, 4 to 7, and 2 to 7. So which is having the minimum weight? 2 to 7 is having the minimum weight. Select an edge 2 to 7, and this is having the weight 14. Okay. Now we cannot connect further because if you connect 1 to 2, 7 to 4, it will form a cycle. So it will violate the condition of minimum spanning tree. So this is the minimum spanning tree, final minimum spanning tree. Now we calculate the cost. So cost can be calculated as the sum of all the weights on the edges, that is 10 plus 25 plus 22 plus 12 plus 16 plus 14, and that comes out to be 99 units. So this is the cost for minimum spanning tree. So this was all about Prim's algorithm. Thank you.